BC dry chemical powder is irreplaceable for fire truck use in case of special disaster scenarios. The powder is stored in 450 or 500-pound tanks and pressurized during agent application. But the regular service of the storage tank is essential and is governed by industrial standards and manufacturer specifications. That needs a test of the agent minimum every 6 to 12 months. The complete extinguishing agent must be extracted and refilled with machine assistance. The powder tank must be free of foreign objects that can block rising tubes, valves, hoses and nozzles. Up until now, there is no satisfying technical aid for the powder extraction and filling. Vehicle maintenance and operations personnel manage the functionality of the systems with the disposal of the powder or by fluffing up the tank with nitrogen every 6 months. Certainly, the fluffing up is a non-invasive testing, but there is no guarantee that cake powder in the edge regions or existing lumps will be completely dissolved. Powder can be toughened and lumpy, compacted by vibrations or humidity and condensation caused by temperature fluctuations. In the worst-case scenario, the powder is unusable when required during firefighting operations. Even if done regularly, a short operation of the system cannot give an accurate representation of the complete powder tank contents, and there is always uncertainty of the actual state of the dry chemical system. Refilling is done manually with a large amount of ambient dust produced. Workers are exposed to particulates which are concerning to human health, being respirable, thoracic, and alveoli penetrating. With a unique powder extraction and refilling device from Germany, the complete servicing process can be performed dustless and quickly. The first step is the dry chemical powder extraction out of the fire truck vessel. The powder is removed from the tank, loosened, filtered, and finally collected in a silo container. With the use of a closed system, no ambient air is introduced and no chemical powder can escape. The extraction is performed with a stainless steel suction lens, strong enough to absorb even the most thickened powder. Only the opening of the vessel releases the vacuum. You can see that the work environment is clean and occupational safety is ensured. With regards to avoiding the inhalation of particulates, no additional protection or face mask use is required to prevent inhalation of E and A dust contaminants. Whereby German standards, the E dusts are defined as inhalable dusts and A dusts are defined as alveoli penetrating dusts. Also, there is no powder remaining on the fire truck chassis or technical components of the garage or apparatus bay. Alternatively, the discharge can be directly managed via the hose line nozzle, discharging the powder into the system for collection. The second step is the powder refilling to the fire truck. During this step, manual use of the lens is unnecessary. The power of the closed system's vacuum makes the backflushing autonomously automated and dust-free. With the use of an adapter plate, a sealed connection is made to the threaded opening of the powder tank. The filter unit, which was used at the collection container during the prior extraction step, now connects directly with the truck. Adapters for all vehicle types and powder tank threads can be delivered on customer demand. Again, with the use of a closed system, powder from the collection container flows back into the truck tank. No additional personnel are required for the refilling process. Powder can be reused if particle integrity has been maintained and if moisture contamination has been prevented. 100% of the powder has been removed and refilled. There is no loss of extinguishing agent. Each filling step does not take more than 20 minutes. The system has been proven at international airports, Air Force bases, maritime vessels, and with different powder extinguishing systems with large capacity tanks up to 4,000 pounds. Vollmart Z5 filling system can be adapted to meet your needs. It is available now as the first sophisticated semi-automated solution worldwide.